It's another pair of earbuds, but let's do it. What's up guys? Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech Unraveled. And today I have the Realme Buds Air Pro. You know the drill, right? You gotta know it by now. Well, if you're not a subscriber, you don't know it. What we're gonna do right meow is we're gonna get this box popped. I'm gonna explore all of its contents. We're gonna do an audio test, a mic test, a latency test. We're doing all the tests. I'm gonna let you know what I think. You're gonna let me know what you think. But first, here's a reminder, there's an ongoing giveaway happening right now on this channel. I am giving away a pair of OnePlus Bud Z wireless earbuds, so don't forget to enter. Check out the description down below for all the details. Let's get started. Let's go. Let's go! All right, guys. Let's get this box popped. Gotta just get it by the corner. Got it. That's interesting. What does that mean? Wireless charging? I don't know. What do we got in here? This works with the Realme Link app. I already have it downloaded on my phone from the previous Realme device that I was trying out. So we'll get it paired up with that. Here is the Buds case. Feels nice. Actually, I take that back. It feels hollow. It feels like a cheap plastic. Here it is. Check it out. Boom, you get the first look. Oh no, the lid doesn't stay open. Ugh. Let's go a little bit further into the box. I think I'm losing it. I don't know if you know, but maybe you could tell because of this shirt. This is the third video that I'm doing in a row. I had all these headsets come in at the same time. I'm just trying to bang these out for you guys. And I might be actually losing it, but just a little bit. You got your USB A to C and some extra ear tips. Let's see if that is wireless charging. Got it on the wireless charger. It's not lighting up. Doesn't say it on the back of the box. I'm gonna say no to wireless charging. Let's get the Realme Link app open. Let's click on the plus, earphones, Realme Buds Air. Hold button down on the side for 3 seconds. I bet the battery's dead. All right guys, this is where I pause the video. It appears these need to charge a few moments. So I'm gonna pause right here and I'll see you back in a flash. Blam! And I'm back. I am all set up. I've changed out the ear tips. I've got these paired up. I wanted to really quick show you the app itself before we get started. As you can see, these buds have transparency mode, noise cancellation. There's a gaming mode, which I'm sure will give you a lower latency while gaming, volume enhancement, bass boost, and then you have the ability to change the actions of your double taps and triple taps on the left and right ear. Now, you can also control the noise cancellation mode via touching and holding on the earbud itself. I can't actually figure it out which mode I'm in because it's speaking to me in Chinese and the instructions are all in Chinese and I just haven't played with it enough, but it is possible. With that said, let's start the audio portion of this test. Let's get rocking. Here we go. Heavy bass, guys. The highs are crisp, mids are solid. These are nice. All right, guys, so here is the deal. First, man, check these out. The highs on these are ultra crispy. The bass is slamming good. It's vibrating my skull. I like it a lot. And the mids are okay. They're good. They're not as smooth and crisp as I would like them, but they're good. They're really good. But bass is hitting mega hard. You're gonna enjoy them if you are a bass head. So yeah. Let's now jump into the mic test. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Realme Buds Air Pro. Let me go ahead and start the ambient noise running in the background. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Realme Buds Air Pro with ambient noise running in the background. All right, guys, you know what's next, right? Let's get this latency test set up and going. Let's do it. And I'm gonna go ahead and get gaming mode activated. This guy's probably like, what are you doing? Why are you shooting at a wall? Alright guys, so there you have it. That's the latency part of the test. We knocked out audio test. We did a mic test. That's your latency test. I'm Dave. This has been Tech Unraveled. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Everything's down in the description. Guys, if you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace! Rah!